Before you change rear brakes on a modern car, there's one thing you absolutely must do first. If your vehicle has an electronic parking brake and you skip service mode, you can damage the brake motor, trigger warning lights, or even ruin the rear caliper today. I'll show you how to put your electronic parking brake into service mode safely and correctly. Most modern vehicles now use electronic parking brakes instead of old manual hand brakes, and before doing rear brake work, the brake motors need to retract properly. Let's go step by step. Service mode is a special maintenance setting that retracts the electronic parking brake motors. This allows the rear brake pistons to compress safely during brake pad or rotor replacement. If you try forcing the piston back without activating service mode first, you can damage the EPB motor, internal gears, or the brake caliper itself, and those repairs can get expensive very quickly. Not sure if your car has electronic parking brakes? Look for a button with a P symbol, no manual handbrake lever, automatic parking brake features, electrical connectors on the rear brake calipers. If your car has those features, it likely needs service mode before rear brake work. First, turn the ignition on without starting the engine. On push-start vehicles, press the start button once without touching the brake pedal. Step 2. Press brake pedal. No, press and hold the brake pedal firmly. Many vehicles require this during the process. Step 3. Hold the PB switch. Next, operate the electronic parking brake switch. Depending on the vehicle, some require pushing the switch down, others require pulling it up. Hold the switch for around 5 to 10 seconds. Step 4. Wait for confirmation footage. Dashboard message, service mode active, narration. Watch the dashboard carefully. You may see messages like brake service mode, maintenance mode active, or parking brake retracted. You might also hear the rear brake motors retracting. That sound is completely normal. Mistake 1. Forcing the piston. Never force the rear brake piston backward before activating service mode. That can strip internal gears inside the PB motor. Mistake 2. Disconnecting the battery. Avoid disconnecting the battery during the process. It can cause parking brake faults or warning lights. Mistake 3. Forgetting to exit service mode after the repair is complete. Remember to exit service mode, otherwise, the parking brake may not work correctly. Once the brake job is finished, turn ignition on, press the brake pedal, operate the PB switch again. Motors should re-engage automatically. You may hear calibration noises from the rear brakes. That's normal. And that's how to safely put your electronic parking brake into service mode. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and check out more DIY brake repair guides and electronic parking brake tutorials on the channel.